All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel,
Hello.
my TikTok, wherever you're watching me from Instagram, Facebook. I'm all over the
YouTube.
place. YouTube. Yep. Welcome back to another pack battle
Yeah.
with me and this little guy. And oh my gosh, I feel something in my legs. What is this? What's going on?
What is this?
Oh, it's the other
Thank
little
you,
one.
James.
We also have this one here today. We have all Obsidian Flames.
Yeah.
We got 6 packs for you today. We're going to do 3 rounds, 1 pack each round. We're going to see who's going to win. Right now, these guys are beating me 2-1. I've only won 1 pack battle, at least to my understanding.
Technically, I was
Maybe
the
those
only
cards
one
they
beating.
got in that 1 pack battle was worth a lot more than the ones I got. But hey, because I believe that's how it's supposed to work. I've researched a little bit more, but I go by who gets the best pools,
I'm going
no
Team
matter
Yosef.
the cost of the card.
I'm going
If I
Team
get-
Yosef. I'm going
You
Team
going
Yosef.
Team Yosef? Okay, all right.
And you're by yourself.
All right. So Yosef, pick a pack. Let's get this started. And stop
This
shaking the
one.
table because
Oh.
it's shaking the camera.
Okay. Sorry. Camera.
You got 1 pack already? Oh my, okay, I'm gonna get a Dragonite pack.
I opened the only pack that didn't have a duplicate. That's the code.
And this is my code.
Okay.
Right.
3,
What
2.
kind of energy? You already saw it. Okay.
I think yours is fire. Oh.
Dark energy.
I got steel.
All right, let's see.
Charmander.
Diglett, I know that. I don't know that. Swablu? I don't know what that one is. I can't read it. It's too far.
Go fast.
Go faster.
Wait. No, never mind.
Oh!
I got 9 tails full art. Oh! Is that golden?
Yes, that's a gold! I didn't even realize. Nice! 2 hits. And what's the last one for me?
Golden border.
Okay.
Papi!
Nice.
Golden.
Ooh, I like that.
border?
9 tails.
How much
That's
I
a gold card. Oh, I never got. This is our first gold card. I've never gotten one. Nice.
Not my turn.
Oh, let's
My
leave it up.
turn.
Let's leave it up
Not my turn.
with our Journey Together sleeves.
Even though these are Obsidian Flames.
Nice.
This could definitely be an Obsidian. I mean, PSA 10.
Now
I'm gonna pick this.
That is awesome.
James, this was on my side.
It doesn't matter. He could pick from anywhere.
Okay.
He could pick from any pack he wants.
I'm on Team Yosef. Okay.
You're on Team Yosef?
Yeah. I thought you were on Team Papi.
Why don't we do brother versus brother? Oh.
Okay. James, which pack? Which pack? Okay, I want this one. I want Dragon.
Ooh, Tyranitar. All right, I'm gonna get it ready for you, James. Then you have to I'll show them the code. Stop moving so much. You're wiggling the camera. That's the code. Get this ready.
Go. Papi, what energy?
I already saw it. James, what? And James doesn't know. It's steel.
And mine is leaf energy.
All right, James. 1 card at a time.
James, put it closer.
boy.
Oh, I accidentally took off two. Take
Okay.
off one.
And nothing.
Dudu kaka.
Togekiss, we already have.
Dudu kaka dudu.
Yeah, Dudu Kaka. We got
Yes, Dudu kaka, papi.
Dudu Kaka.
Dudu kaka.
I'm
Okay.
sure we're gonna need some of these cards for our Pokédex, for our Giga
James?
Pokédex
Which
binder.
one? Which one, James?
We open it for you, James. Okay. Code.
Code. Papi, I think your code was upside down.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. They'll figure it out if they really want it. James,
What
stop moving so
energy,
much.
Papi? What energy?
Water.
No, for me.
Oh, for you? Water.
Leaf. Yours was one. Showdown. Nothing. Oh wait, we already
Pomot.
We already have this.
Yeah, we do have that one already.
It's
But still, Palma EX. This, I guess, this will be going into the trade binder. Nice. 6 packs. 3 hits.
Trade. I got 2 of them.
I believe Yosef wins this round.
3? The score's 3-1.
Yosef wins this round. This battle.
So the score's 3-1.
Yeah, it is. Unless the gold card is worth more, I just don't know. But to me, the full art is better than the gold because I just like the full art better.
Papi.
But yeah.
Papi.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, whatever you got to do. Stay tuned for more pack openings with us. What happened, my boy? What?
On the bus, there's Pokemon trading.